Welcome back to yet another episode of Style with Me. Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and image consultant. And if anyone of you new here, please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, please do not forget the bell icon. So let's dive right in. So today I'm back with you with another exciting episode of Style with Me. So today I'm going to style a very casual western skirt look, which has a lot of a lounge feel to it as well. So without further delay, let's dive right in. I'm going to take you through all the elements that we are going to use in that, and let's discuss and interact and finalize on what we should finally wear. To start with, I'm going to use this basic striped skirt. As you can see, this is a knitted striped skirt which has got slits on just one side, and it's a straight cut skirt. It's a very smart piece. So with this, I'm actually going to wear. I was again thinking, since that is a black and gray look, probably as a top I should wear a white or a black piece, that is what goes to your mind naturally, and it's very easy. But I want to infuse some color to the whole look. I don't want it to be very, very drab, so I'm going to infuse that color with this beautiful sort of a top, a sleeveless spaghetti top with in a coral color. It's a very beautiful color, and that is going to break the monotony as well, bring in a lot of beauty to the whole look. Now I'm going to throw on top of those two, I want to have a third layer, and I'm going to throw this black jacket on top of that. Now the specialty of this jacket is actually this was a kameez. All right, and since it was I was feeling it is a little too tight, and I just wanted to not throw it away. I want to keep using things more and more, so I just cut it open in the front, as you can see. And this is something which all of us can do. And if you get bored, or if you are not fitting into something, or if something becomes very loose, tight, what you can do is actually cut it open and make it into a jacket. It's very simple. You can just do it yourself or give it your tailor to be done. So this is a beautiful throw for the whole thing, and it is very long, as you can see, and it's got the slits. The slits of the kameez is still there, but it looks really fantastic. So these are the garments which are going to go into the look. Now let us take a look at the accessories. So basically I want to add a very rustic, very Indian sort of a neck piece to it. So as you can see, there are a lot of these kind of an enamel work on this oxidized piece with it looks a kind of an antique with this black thread, and the color is also very dull. As you can see, it's a very old piece which I treasure a lot. And then with this, I am thinking of two earrings actually. One is this one, very simple sort of a earring, but again very rustic. It's got a little bronzish look and little bead. Okay, a very old piece. Or I have a more interesting one, so I have to decide which one. So this is like this, as you can see. There are small, tiny, and you can see the gradation of blue colors. The beads are going from light to dark, and it's on a bronze colored base. Okay, this is like a fret design, the Greek fret design. And so these are the things which I would like to wear. And on my one arm I would like to wear this sort of a bracelet or a bangle or whatever you call it. It's open, it's got a lot this filigree sort of a work. It's very pretty, and it's in a blackish oxidized color. And with all this, I want to keep the look very simple. I don't want to overdress it. I'm going to wear a footwear which is very very manly. Okay, it's like a typical Oxford shoe, but the lace of it is in velvet. Okay, but it's got that full polished shiny leather look. So this is very smart, and this is something which you can wear it with I feel with any look. In fact, I wear it with everything, anything and everything, even a sari. So this is a beautiful one, and it's flat, it's comfortable, So it's good. So these are the things. So let's do not waste time. Let's go get dressed up. I believe all of you have loved this video, and if there is any suggestions, and if you were given a basic skirt and a top, you could change, you could choose your own colors. How would you style it? What all would you use, or would you reduce some stuff from this, make it more minimal, or make it more dressy? I would love to hear from you. So I will be back with you very soon. Till then, all of you, please stay happy, stay healthy, and if you have not subscribed, please do not forget. Subscribe right away, and do not forget that bell icon. So I'll be seeing you soon. Till then, always carry positive thoughts in your mind. Signing off, Archana Shankar.